right, well, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions, or late in the day, your favorite beverage and questions. And what's today's topic? I'm going to talk about a recipe I came across. I added my own little tweak to it. I'll explain that to you in a little bit, but it's for potato wedges, if you like potatoes. So I went ahead and I assembled the ingredients. I made them. They turned out fantastic, and I'm creating my own little recipe booklet that I throw up online when I find really good recipes. I'm going to switch over, talk to you about the ingredients, and tell you how simple this is to make. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is get yourself some potatoes. It depends on how many you want to make and what you want to do, of course. And you want to cut them into those potato wedges. Then you want to soak them in water several minutes, a little while, and then I just take them out, set them on a paper towel, and then in the meantime, in a mixing bowl or Tupperware or whatever you got, you put in the virgin olive oil. I use garlic powder, Italian seasoning, but you can pick another seasoning if you want to, if there's something else that you favor. Paprika, salt, pepper, and the kick here is I added in a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. This makes them taste fantastic, I think. Okay, so you can add that in like I did here in the recipe when I tweaked it, or you can leave it out. So when you do that, you go ahead and you start running all of these potatoes through that mixture. And then when I'm done, I pour the mixture over the top of them a little bit before I slide them into a preheated oven, which I've preheated to 400 degrees. And I've lined them all out on a cooking pan or what have you. Now in my oven, they're done at 50 minutes, okay? Now, the other thing that if you want to have like hors d'oeuvre or something like that sitting around, or as a side dish, some people want dipping sauce. I threw up some suggestions. I mean, you could use whatever you want. But in the end, this is a fantastic recipe. These things taste fantastic. I tell you, try it. You can use the above as just a boilerplate. Add your own seasoning if you don't like the Italian. I mean, and you can kind of play around with the recipe, but this is the way that I did it, and I want to add this to my recipe collection here online. Okay, I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe, keep following me. If you know of a good recipe or something better, drop it in the comment. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. You folks have a great day. Bye-bye.